Ciao tutti! Welcome back to High Vibes Travel. Today we're exploring Caminia de Staletti. Hopefully I'm saying it right. Where? Baia de Caminia. Let's explore.
Blanca Cruz.
Blanca Cruz. All right, let's explore. And Museo del Mare. Okay, let's explore. On this beautiful day here with my bae. Say hi.
I'm covered up because it's really sunny.
Yeah, it's really sunny today. Probably around right now 30 degrees, but it's not humid, so it's okay. It's not that hot. Like, oh, look at these nice flowers.
Ooh wee. Oh my god. Oh, with the boats there.
Look at this. Look at that, how far that guy is in the water, dude. This is beautiful.
Look, they're there. Oh my god, she's not kidding. This is like Tropea.
Well, it looks like there's restaurants here, but kind of a feeling it's probably open at 7 o'clock like everything else here. Totally normal here. Wow, really nice. They have cocktails here too. Nice. Oh, that.
Let's take a picture of that.
Yeah. That is. All right, so the first row is 30 euros. The second row is 25. And the third row, which is over here, is 20 euros. So 30, 25, and 20. How beautiful this is. Wow, wow, wow. All right, all right. Approve of this beautiful beach. Approve of this beautiful water. Just look at it. Go down. Super clear beach here. Clean and not that rocky. You see bays waving at us. Bays waving at us. Waving. It's just a great Saturday day here. In Spiaggia Di Caminia, I think it's called. It's Spiaggia Di Caminia, right? We found some beers here on this beautiful day. So, got some beers. How much? Survey says, how much?
3 euros each.
It's pretty good for a beach.
Very good. And full
Salud. And full what?
full restaurant. Absolutely. Everybody's eating.
Oh wow, pizza? Did you see pizza and stuff?
Pizza, lasagna. We have to go.
Okay, andiamo.
They have pizza spina.
Bira and spina. Beer on draft. This is a Peroni Nastro Azzurro Still Capri, whatever Still Capri means. What's up? Oh scusa, scusa, eh? No, no, va bene, va bene. right, off we go back to La Casa. About an hour walk, but we shall be back. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the drone footage. And the best is yet to come.
Wow, wow, wow.